I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up your Canon M50 Mark II as a webcam. First, you'll need to download and install the Canon EOS webcam utility software. Next, ensure your camera is powered, ideally with an AC adapter, and connect it to your computer using a reliable USB cable. Finally, open your video application and select the Canon camera as your video input. It's a straightforward process that will significantly upgrade your video quality. The first crucial step is getting the right software. Head over to the official Canon website and locate the EOS webcam utility for your M50 Mark II. Make sure to download the version compatible with your computer's operating system, whether it's Windows or Mac OS. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the simple prompts. A quick restart of your computer after installation is often recommended to ensure everything integrates smoothly. Now, let's get your camera ready. For uninterrupted use, power your M50 Mark II with an AC adapter. A fully charged battery is an alternative but less ideal for long sessions. Connect the camera to your computer using a high-quality USB cable, ideally a USB 3.0 for faster data transfer. Remember to set your camera to movie mode or a compatible still photo mode, and disable any auto power-off features to keep your stream consistent. With the software installed and your camera connected, the final step is selecting it in your chosen application. Open your favorite video conferencing or streaming platform like Zoom or OBS Studio. Go into the video settings or preferences, and you should see EOS webcam utility listed as a camera option. Select it, and you're all set. Remember to fine-tune your camera's focus and exposure for that professional look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.